Hi guys, this is Ritvik Dhanjani and you guys are watching me on Midday with Shruti.
एक बहुत ड्रामेटिक और एंटरटेनिंग सीजन करने के बाद ऋत्विक इज बैक विद खतरों के खिलाड़ी एंड दिस टाइम विद हिज बीएफएफ करण.
Yes.
So here we are welcoming Ritvik Dhanjani to Midday.
Thank
Hi
you.
Ritvik,
Thank you,
welcome
Shruti.
to Midday.
Thank you very much.
Firstly, coming back with a bang, obviously, in the 15th season, like एक बड़ा gap रह चुका है.
Right.
So how is it? I mean, what is the excitement level now?
It's a great feeling to be honest. It feels like this is Khatro Ke Khiladi Fear Factor has been one of my most favorite shows of all times. ये experience is so enriching for me and it always has been. कि मैंने ये कई सालों पहले भी और कई बार कहा है कि मुझे ये जितनी बार भी शो ये ऑफर होगा I'll always do it at a drop of a hat because that's how much I love this space. So here I am again to relive the same world. It's nostalgic and it's so much. It makes me happy.
Your season had one of the most viral moments. I think no other season has had that many viral moments and
Yeah.
all the craziness between you, Karan, and obviously Ravi was
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
So now with this season, I think what is going to change for you and Karan for sure?
Nothing. Nothing has changed. Nothing will change. We're the same lads, just a little more grown up.
Oh, yeah.
That's who we are. But I think कुछ भी ना और कुछ ना बदले तो ही better है. I think because uh, personally the both of us are in a great space together. And we've seen life now so much more than before. And I think we know each other and we support each other so much more than we ever did. So I think I'm just looking forward to all that madness unfolding again.
So as Karan rightly said, you are the daredevil one in the duo.
I don't know, एक तो वो बोल के इतना कर देगा ना कि मेरे से कहीं भी गलती हो जाएगी तो ऐसा लगेगा भाई कितना ही पागल हूँ मैं. वो पागल है बोल के उसने इतना कर दिया. मैं कोई
और वो जेलस भी है आपसे.
I'm sure होगा पागल.
बट या आई मीन अगर डेयर डेविल बोला है तो कितना डेयर डेविल साइड हम इस सीजन में देखने वाले हैं. एनी स्टंट दैट यू डोंट वांट टू कम बैक विद.
I think there was a stunt that I didn't like at all. It was not difficult. It was just very unpleasant. It was a tear gas. It was the gas chamber.
या
वो ऐसा नहीं कि वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट था कोई नहीं कर पाया. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि वो अंदर वाली जो फीलिंग थी ना वो इट वाज अ वेरी रिपल्सिव फीलिंग. तो वो मुझे नहीं चाहिए. मतलब इट्स नॉट अ स्टंट. वो ऐसा अजीब
Yeah.
ऐसा सा कि आपको एक गैस चेम्बर में बंद कर दिया है, रहो जितनी देर तक रह सकते हो. मतलब यार कैसे. सो या
टेस्टिंग योर पेशेंस देयर.
या
But obviously, Khatro is for not just your physical strength, but obviously the mental strength. How much of patience can you hold on to? One thing you think is going to test your patience the most over there in terms of stunts, apart from the tear gas one.
Uh, I think anything to do with heights would test my patience because that's something that I've always been scared of. Not that I am scared of it anymore या मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अरे यार ये कैसे होगा. बट मुझे ये लगता है कि that does throw me off a little. तो probably that. But I don't even know. It could be anything else यार. वो कोई तेंदुआ, कोई कछुआ, कोई छिपकली फेंक देंगे शायद उसमें थोड़ा सा ऑफ पुटिंग हो जाए. You never know. I don't really know कि वो क्या होगा. So I can't really foresee. But it could be anything.
बट अगर एक कोई ऐसा स्टंट यू थिंक अगर वहाँ पे हो जिसमें यू हैव टू डू इट विद करण एंड यू वांट दैट यू विन दैट स्टंट श्योर शॉट, व्हिच वन वुड इट बी?
Oh, there were so many stunts. You can put me and Karan in any stunt together. I think हमने बहुत सारे stunts साथ में किए and we've won quite a lot of them. We've lost one of the stunts जिसमें बेचारा मेरा भाई बाहर हो गया था because नहीं कहाँ बाहर हुआ था कुत्ता. मुझे वो फेयर फंदा मिला था उसकी वजह से. There was a water stunt. कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम हो गया था वो स्टंट में. But I think you can put us. I don't know. I think you can put us anywhere, and I think we will try to because we know each other. I think वो help
Right.
करता है to understand the strengths and the weaknesses. कि मुझे पता है कि he can't do well with claustrophobia. He knows that I may not do well with heights. तो अगर ऐसा कोई combined stunt है जिसमें हमें we have to
Yeah.
fit each other rightfully. We know exactly कि यार ये इसका strength है तू ये कर भाई मैं ये करता हूँ because दोनों को पता है कि हाँ ये संभल जाएगा.
बट यू थिंक कि रोहित सर ऐसा कुछ रखेंगे आपके लिए नोइंग योर एबिलिटीज?
You never know. I don't know. अगर रखेंगे तो बढ़िया है, नहीं रखेंगे तो भी बढ़िया है.
So this season has a mix of both, the old ones and the new contestants. कोई आपको लगता है who is like really good and could be a competition to you guys?
Like I said, even in the press conference, नीचे जब हम खड़े हुए थे कि यार this show is not about.
The competition?
No, of course it's about the competition. Whoever says, जो भी बोलते हैं कि my competition is only with me, अबे नहीं बे, कुछ नहीं है. The competition is a competition where everybody is there. But I think if you dig deep and if you understand the show a little better, someone whose mind body is centered and is controlled and is grounded is the most deadly here. बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि आपके मसल्स कितने बड़े हैं या आप कितने एजाइल हैं, आप कितनी फ्लिप्स मार, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता उन चीज़ों से, कुछ नहीं. इट्स दिस सेंटरनेस, दैट्स अलाइंड, देन योर देयर इज नथिंग स्टॉपिंग यू.
Is it aligned for you?
आई थिंक सो. I think so, yeah.
One stunt you have been the most scared of? You're proving the dead.
No, shut up. No, yeah. I don't think I would say I'm really mostly scared of. I think I always find it very exciting to do new things. मुझे आप किसी uncomfortable situation में फेंक देते हो तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है. For some reason, I perform really well under pressure. तो ऐसा डर मुझे नहीं लगा. But I would say surely, I think one of the height stunts जो मैंने बहुत ही बुरा परफॉर्म किया था was against Nia. Was a ladder. Nia, Matt, देखा आपने? Do you think you look at Nia, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि भाई क्या physically, man, of course she's wonderfully fit,
Yeah.
but कोई ऐसी agile या she's a acrobat, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. कोई strength training करती है, कुछ भी नहीं. But she's the most deadliest because this is the strongest. डरती, her mind is rock solid. So that's who you should be fearful of. That's something that you should consider competition. Like, I would love to compete with Nia over and over and over and over again because there's so much fun and so much thrill with her. तो उस तरीके, क्योंकि निया को तो मैं बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूँ. I don't know anybody else here as much. So one of them could be a Nia prototype. So I don't really know.
How much of support do you think Karan is going to give you?
I'm sure both of us are going to support each other a lot because that's how we function. And not just Karan, yaar, I'm wanting to support everybody else on the show. क्योंकि this show is not about कि इसका झगड़ा उससे उसका. It's not that. The show is fun. The reason that you said that so many moments in our show went viral,
Yes.
why did it go? Why? Because we were truly having fun. We were truly together. None of that was a lie. वो सब वो सारे moments, वो मस्ती, वो दोस्ती, वो यार, वो सब कुछ सच था.
Right.
और क्योंकि वो सच था, हम एंजॉय कर रहे थे, इसीलिए आपको देखने में मजा आया. और वहीं पे हम, तू मैं तेरा, ये मेरा, वो सब तो हम तो मुझसे नहीं होगा.
I would say that, just like Karan also said, कि the bromance is going to continue.
Yeah.
And it's couple goals, as he says,
He said
between
it's
you
couple
and
goals.
him.
बड़ा कुत्ता है बे, हट. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. कल को आपको लगने लगे हैशटैग ये दोनों लौंडे हमारे साथ मादिलाट, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है भाई.
But yeah, I mean, I am waiting to watch that more
Please do. Please
in
wait,
terms of
because it's gonna be a lot of fun.
entertainment. Yeah, in terms of entertainment. But one thing that keeps you serious in terms of these kind of stunts where, you know, it's quite deadly, especially the ones in the water. So
Yeah.
what keeps you serious and sane in those times? मतलब जब ऐसा लग रहा है कि फटी but नहीं फटी.
I think what keeps me centered is what you're trying to ask, or
Serious,
controlled, or
controlled.
yeah, because I think
Anything.
serious though, I'm serious about every stunt.
Okay.
I'm not taking anything as a joke. But I think one of the most important superpowers of every human being that we often overlook, and that's the breath. And I think that's exactly what my superpower is going to be, because I think if I can watch my breath every single moment, and if I can understand what's happening here, everything else in the outside world can just completely quieten down. And I think that's the only way that I could probably overcome anything in life. Not just a show like Khatron Ke Khiladi and Dar Ka Naya Daur, but anything in life. I think if this is centered for me, life is beautiful.
So what would you like to tell your fans now that you're coming back with the show?
I would like to tell everybody that come on, tune in to Colors and Geo Hotstar. We're gonna be running ahead and doing another season of Khatron Ke Khiladi, Dar Ka Naya Daur. It's gonna be so much more deadlier, so much more thrilling, so much more exciting. Because that's why they've got us, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि हमने ये पहले किया हुआ है, तो हमारे थोड़े से और जो स्टंट्स हैं उनको हमारी और थोड़ी सी कैसे फटे, they will try level best. So Colors and Hotstar put together, they have come up with a phenomenal concept. So just come in and tune in and watch the show. Not just for me, watch it for everybody. Watch it for the love of the show and for the love of Colors in Jio Hotstar. Just come on in. I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of fun because we are.